Today we are at Park City, Utah to tour one of the most elegant and tasteful homes we have ever seen on our channel. Buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown. Introducing Monitors Rest, recipient of the prestigious Best Amenities Robb Report Best of the Best Award. The best representation of mountain living in the West can be found in this house, which is tucked into the slope at the foot of Monitor Bowl. Monitors Rest was created by the award-winning team of Illuminous Group Development, CLB Architects, Design Workshop, Delos, Oarsman Design, and Magleby Estate Homes on 5 ski-in/ski-out acres in the prestigious gated community of The Colony at White Pine Canyon. It sets the new benchmark for a true legacy-quality modern compound. A full copper roof, Croatian limestone, Show Sugi band charred cypress, and Italian steel windows and doors by Thermally Broken Steel, USA are just a few of the high-end features included in the timeless architecture, which also offers world-class amenities and a seamless flow throughout the nearly 18,000 square feet of living space. A wellness home called Monitors Rest uses Delos Darwin Home Wellness Intelligence Network. The Darwin system controls circadian rhythm lighting, checks and calibrates indoor air quality, filters airborne pollutants and pathogens like viruses, and enhances water quality by removing impurities and contaminants.